many investors are hedging against market volatility as summer approaches. Do you agree with that and why?
No, I don't. Again, I am a huge believer in the concept of reaction and not prediction. And I know that sounds really strange, but I don't believe you can actually predict. So if you're trying to, get ready for summer volatility, you're predicting that there'll be summer volatility. I'm going to wait and see what happens and react to that if we have that type of volatility or not. Because, I mean, I've just way too many times I've seen people make predictions. Matter of fact, almost every time, to be honest. Uh, Especially the more people, for whatever reason, the more people that are making one prediction, the more the market goes the other direction. So I really don't, try to invest in that way. So it's kind of an indirect way of answering that question, but I just don't do predictive methodology. I do reactive. That's worked much better for me. Once in a while, I'll do something slightly on a predictive basis if I feel really strongly about it. Like right now, I do have a lot more money invested in things that I think will do well in this reopening. And I think the reopening is really going to start to take off, the second half of this year.
Oh, yeah.
And so that's a little bit predictive, although most of the charts look a lot like that dividend chart that I just showed you. So it's not like, they're at the bottom and falling apart. These are things that have already shown some trend. And to me, I'm reacting to trend. So, sometimes that trend is down and I'm going to react. I'm going to have stop losses and all these different things that I do. Sometimes those trends are up and I'm, buying those and looking at those. But I am overweight in the reopening stocks at this point in time, and they've only done medium actually since I got into them in March so far. But I feel great that they could do quite well. This is a really unique environment. But generally speaking, for something especially short term like volatility this summer, that's not something that I'm going to react to unless I need to, and I'm not going to do it in advance because I don't know that it's going to happen.